I'm about to sneak up on Winter, and I'm going to pour this cup of cold water on her while she's in the shower. And hopefully she freaks out and falls and like pulls the entire curtain down.
Okay, let's go. Just walk in.
It's locked.
Oh, what the fuck? It's locked. It's locked. She'd have to get out of the shower.
So I'll just kick it down. We're banging on the door. She can hear it.
We'll just yell it.
Winter, I need to get into the bathroom. Winter! I have to go pee! I have to pee!
Open it!
You locked it!
What?
You locked it!
Oh, God.
No! Winter, please!
She's not gonna get out.
Yeah, she will.
Bitch.
She will.
I'm gonna go on your bed!
Dude, open it.
I'll go on your bed if you don't open it right now.
You need to go in the sink.
You have to open the door!